So I cleaned out the oil pan. It's looking good. Also cleaned up the surface inside here. Got all the gasket material out. It's right over here. So what we'll do is I want to try and get these main surfaces as clean as I can get it. And so I guess we're gonna go ahead and pry off this old oil seal. So what I happen to have here is just a seal puller. I think we're just going to pry it like this. Yes, like that. Seal just comes out. It just sits flush. That's actually the easiest. Oil seal installation I've seen. So we're gonna get a new seal and put it on. So hopefully you'll find basically a new oil pan gasket. And a new oil seal, which is part number 91201 ZG9U71. Here's the O-ring for the lower portion of the dipstick. 91301 ZE9003. I'm gonna get the old bang guys in a little bit. Alright, so let's go and start putting the new seal in. This looks like I've been out back then, so I was gonna use caulk cleaner to clean this up. This sits on this side, so we're gonna like to do. It's like a little bit of ore. Alright, what to do is the draw, make sure that surface is nice and smooth. Make sure this is facing the right way. So make sure you have the white dot facing to the top. This side faces down, and this, well, the spring side faces down, and you have this groove side with the white dot faces up. We're gonna do. I think the seal should just. Hold on. Get this started. Okay, right there. I'm not sure if it's really. I'm not sure if it's really supposed to be flush like this. So I'm having a little bit issues trying to find this damn socket. I mean, I guess we're gonna have to go to the store and go get a socket for it. So, we'll be back when we're done.